Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, we laid over a place. A woman came to us and said, a scorpion has stung the chief of our tribe. Is there anyone amongst you who can faith heal? A man among us got up and went along with her. We did not think that he could faith heal well. He faith healed him by reading chapter Fatiha. So that chief convulsed. They gave him goats and served us all with milk. We said, do you really know how to faith heal? He replied, I just faith healed him by reading chapter Fatiha. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said that he said, do not drive the goats until we reach the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and ask him about it. We then reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mentioned it to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, how did you know that chapter Fatiha could be used for faith healing? Distribute these goats and apportion a share for me with yours. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5699.